Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I kind of know what's in here, because this was sent by the good, the great, the Nick Shabazz. I don't know why you wouldn't be subscribed to Nick, but if you're not and you weren't aware of him, subscribe to Nick. He definitely has a wealth of content to share with you guys. Anyways, thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. You can check out my Patreon right down here in the description, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, I think actually one of the knives in here is one that is returning to me. We'll confirm that as soon as we're into the box. We have these right here, and I'm going to guess there's probably more than one in at least one of these. What do we have right here? Yep, this is mine. This is the Civivi Ortis. I was insistent that he check that out, so thank you for returning that, Nick. I'll put that back in my case. And these are the ones that are actually... Let me turn the exposure up just a little bit. One or two that are in here. Yeah, I guess it's... No, there are two. Let's do this one first. Yeah, the little giant mouse. I have not checked this thing out, and if I have, it was not the full titanium variant, and he messaged, he said, do you want to check this out? And I said, yeah. Because I did actually, I think, the last one I checked out was in Micarta, and it was a while ago. So, I mean, obviously, anything that's in full titanium, I'm going to check this out. I'll link this guy down below, if you guys want to take a look at this. Wire clip, core steel lock bar insert. You have... I'm gonna guess it's M390. I don't know for sure. Can we access that little? Yeah, you can totally do the reverse flick on this guy. How about? Yeah, you can do that too. All right, great. That's cool. I like that a lot. Little gold anodized, probably titanium backspacer. The lanyard loop in there. Nice large fasteners. I think those are going to be T8. That's good. Nice contoured titanium. This is beautiful. Also, the spine is crowned. Look at that. That's nice. I like that they put their jimping up here, where your thumb would naturally fall. Like if you're going to do your detailed work up here. This is pretty comfortable for being such a small knife. I like this. The more I play around with this, the more I'm liking it. I got to admit, it was smaller than what I thought it'd be. But because of the placement of the choil and the size of it and the contouring on the titanium, yeah. Yeah, I kind of like this. This is cool. Okay, there's one. And the other one... Yeah, this is the freaking weird one that I saw on either it was Nick's channel or his Instagram, and I was like, that is so weird, I really want to look at it. It looked super, I gotta admit, this is I think the Torino, and I can't remember exactly who made. I will link this, make sure the name of it is either in the title or the description so you guys know what you're looking at here. But this thing is really ugly, but I looked at it and I thought, yeah, it looks really comfortable. God dang, look how thin this stuff. That's crazy. It almost disappears. Man, that is one thin blade. Yeah, it does get very thin behind the edge. Look at this. This is very, very different than from what I'm used to seeing. Wait a minute. How do you disengage it? Oh, that's weird. Can you... Yeah. Okay, that's super... It's kind of the same position that I used to disengage my 80-20. Whoops. Gotta get used to that, but you definitely can reverse flick it. Ooh, it's like... Here, check this out. Oh, boy. Wow. Alright, how about blade play? No? No? Okay, it's solid. Boy, this is weird. Honestly, guys, it looks like something you might pick up in the jar, like the grab jar, like as you're in the checkout line at Home Depot. But it has elements that exist in the more enthusiast portion of the knife world. So this is G10. What's the blade steel? Boy, no idea. I'm sure there's somebody who's coming down. You should really know before you unbox it. I'm unboxing it for the first time, so I don't know. This is not a review, it's an unboxing and first impressions of the knife. The review, after I've had a chance to study it, sort of play with it, experience it, will come a few weeks down the road. But just initial impressions, first off, yeah, it is very comfortable. Spine, super thin. Definitely going to be a functional blade, though I don't know what it's made out of. This is really interesting. Very happy to see a lock like this. In fact, I'd like to see a lot more locks like this, you know, in the future. Pocket clip is bizarre, but deep carry. Yeah, this is wild, man. And yeah, there's a fair amount of, honestly, a fair amount of unexpected fidget factor with this guy. It's pretty smooth. I mean, truthfully, yeah. This is interesting right here. Very clicky. That's different, you know, the positioning. The only thing that's similar between this and the 8020 is the positioning and the feel, you know, where I put my hands to disengage it, right? But this has an actual click in the detent, whereas the 8020 is more like a clunk, you know, because of the friction and the rounding on that thing. But yeah, this is wild. Very, very different than what I'm used to, but that's why I wanted to take a look at it. Like to look at that weird stuff. All right, guys, like I said, if I can link these guys, I will. I will link them right down below. Expect the full reviews here in the next few weeks. That's going to be pretty much it. Thanks again, Nick, for sending these interesting models in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.